Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video I'm going to go a bit more into detail into the different badges and achievements. So first of all, go into your level where you could see your rank, and at the bottom you can then view all of the different badges. Okay, there are currently 14 different categories of badges, each of which have a variety of different achievements. As you can see, each badge has a progress. The progress indicates essentially how many achievements have been unlocked in each of the badges. And then once I've collected all of the achievements of a badge, as you can see with a collector, then it's marked in yellow with the tick. These badges vary dramatically between each other. They can be from logging into Reach every consecutive day, from creating notes, creating relationships, sharing from your phone, saving something on a daily basis, the number of integrations that you have, and then which integrations you've already incorporated, giving us feedback on our forum, using our plugin, essentially a variety of different tasks that need to be done in order to earn the different achievements. If you go into any of them, you then have a description explaining you a bit more into detail about that specific badge, and then underneath seeing all of the different achievements. As you can see, the conquered or the achievements you've already done are marked with a tick, and your future achievements, the ones that you're currently working on, you can then see the reward here under the how many experience points you will earn, how many credits you will earn once you unlock this achievement. Here, on the other hand, you see the progress of that achievement. So the Enigma, I've currently answered 11 out of 20 Enigmas. Then, if I have an achievement that I've completed, that will be marked and something to claim. That will be marked here under claim. So then you can go into the badge, and then you'll see the achievement and your reward. Just click on claim, and then the credits will be updated, and your experience points will also then be updated. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please let us know in the forum, and we'll do our best to then answer any queries or try to solve any problems that you may have. In the meantime, stay tuned for our next videos.